Charlani here. Thanks so much for tuning in. So if you read the thumbnail or you saw the title, you know that we are here to reorganize my nail drawer. I have nail polish that I'm not even kidding, I've probably had for 10 years. This drawer has not been cleaned out or organized in I honestly can't even remember when. So we're gonna go through and we are going to clean out all of the old nail polish. I did purchase a couple of new colors. I have a few new things. We're also going to play with a couple different systems of risers for the nail polish that is good and what I'm going to keep. So we're gonna go into our closet. I have like a beauty closet, and down at the bottom I actually have a whole bunch of just nail stuff, like my gel polish, the light system for that. So I want to get everything just kind of condensed into one area, get it organized, and make sure that we declutter and throw out all of the nail polish that is no longer good. So let's get into it. There is a lot of random stuff in here. We have nail art. I need to just go through all of this nail polish, see what is good, what can be thrown away. If I'm to be honest, I'm thinking most of this is probably gonna be trashed. And then I have some things like this is just a UV light for gel nails. We've just got nail things. So let's go ahead and empty this whole entire thing out so I kind of know exactly what I'm working with. And then I have this tray right here that I might use. I also have this option. I ordered these on Amazon, and these are like tiered trays. So I was thinking we can set the nail polish like this so you can see it going in rather than them being like standing up this way. They can lay flat but be at an angle. And from what I understand, let's see, there is a way to, oh, here we go. Let me, oh my gosh, think. Like you can adjust how big it is this way. So let's just kind of play around with everything and see where it takes us. So I don't know if I'm gonna use this or if I'm gonna use this one right here.
Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around,
these are the polishes that I'm keeping, and I am shocked at how good some of these really old ones are. So, and a lot of them I haven't even opened. So we've got a lot of polish that I still have that is good. We've got tool stuff here. This is all garbage stuff, and then I gotta find a place for that. So now I am just gonna come up and just choose which I want to use here. So I'm just gonna kind of play around a little bit and try and figure out, because I'm not sure if all of my polish will fit here, but if I could put them on these, then I could actually see all the colors laid flat. I don't know, let's play with it.
Forever, I'm loving this moment. Can we stay forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Couldn't have fit here more perfectly. And then these are all of the base coats and the top coats. This is where we're at. Now here's the deal. Number one, I didn't know I had this much. Love, 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 love the way this looks. So I'm gonna definitely keep this. Now, this could be better. And I remember seeing for like $1 little individual bins, and I think that will help condense this area right here and get something different. Or even if I just have the smaller little bins, that way I don't have to use this and I'll have room for the lights and things like that. But as of right now, this is pretty packed, so I need to do something different with this. So when I go to Target next, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the little containers and see if that makes this a little bit more efficient and saves me a little bit more space, because I'm definitely wanting some more space. Boy, these would be so perfect if they were like an inch shorter. And then I could have, you know, like a place up here for the lights and things like that, but that's okay. We got to work with what we've got. So far, I'm really happy about it. Now I just need to clean all of this up. So I just took some measurements of the space that I have between those risers and the end of the cabinet, or the end of the drawer, and I'm hoping I'm gonna be able to find something that slips in perfectly. I actually have my Container Store, the risers that didn't work, the clear one, and I'm gonna take it back. I'm gonna see what they have there, but I'm thinking that I'm envisioning what I found or what I saw at Target. So we're gonna go there too, but we're gonna do the Container Store first. I'm gonna return that riser, see if we could find something that might fit in there just perfectly, and then we'll go from there. I have 6 inches that I can play with, but there's a little bit of wiggle room there because I can actually stack the risers. So something like this might just work. So when you can't make up your mind, you buy them all. I'll return what I don't use. Okay, so I realized just after looking at this that I could just move the risers down. I can't obviously do it for this bottom one, but we don't even need to. This works perfect for all of this. But this here fits very well, which that makes me super happy because I was thinking, well, I'm just gonna leave these in the closet, but they actually work right there. So here's the dilemma is I basically need one more of this size right here. I have this right here, but it's too long. But if I had just the square one, it'll fit perfect right here. All of what is in here will definitely be able to fit in just this smaller container right here. Now, all of the other ones that I have, these are 6.5 inches, and I only have 6 inches to play with right here. So you could see it's off by just this much. And I could have overlapped the risers here, but I didn't like the way that looked. So we are going to take these back and get one more right here. The good news is this was the most inexpensive one, so yay for that. So we'll just get 2 of these and we'll plop that in here. Everything that is in here will go there. And then the other thing is I just have a few little extra goodies here, which we'll go ahead and we can get it to fit in this area right there. So yeah, it's coming along, but I can't officially say we're done. As I was just kind of looking at this, you guys, look at. So this came in a plastic, it's just a little plastic container. It's from what came in the box, and it fits right there. And then because I have this box here, it creates a little self-contained space, and then I can just put this right here. And that absolutely works. Here's the other thought that I had. So a lot of these things are in here, which just isn't really convenient to get to. I'm thinking that if I were to get like a square dowel, we could glue it right here, and then it would be a ledge for these things right here. And then we could just put them there instead of in here. And it'll take up and use that space. It's just better use of space right there. I think I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I went to Michael's and I just got a bunch of crafting dowels. I got the square ones because what I'm wanting to do is just take one and I'm thinking more like this size. And I'm gonna put it and glue it right here. See if that'll stay. Nope, it won't. It'll slide down. But glue it right here and then put some of the files and the tools that are here, they can sit just right on it like that right there. And then we'll be using this space right here. I think that'll be awesome. So we're gonna spray paint this black. I'm gonna glue it down and then we'll be done. I am going to use double-sided tape because I don't want to permanently attach this dowel, because my thought is that at some point if I want to use those risers for something else, these won't be like permanent, you know what I mean? And it won't make it like icky. So just gonna stick some tape there. It's a little bit bigger, but I don't think it's gonna make that much of a difference. I don't want to cut it again. But that works. All right, guys, we are done, and I'm so happy with how this turned out. I've got all my OPI polishes down below. The next row, I've got all of my Essie polishes, and then just the random one-off polishes right there. This feels so good. It's like one of those projects that I've just put on the back burner. Wasn't really important. It wasn't a priority, I should say. But today it was, and I'm very happy with how this has come out. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. And if you've not subscribed, I would love it if you did. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.